Lost Treasure Supply, Episode 1, somewhere in Southern California. So I find this first item. It's an ever bright headlamp. It's worth like $5.50 free shipping. It's not worth anything, and I trusted my gut, and I did not buy it. This dinosaur Lego looked interesting, but the comps weren't there. I passed. There's one across the street.
I saw that.
Let's go. Let's walk
Okay.
to it. I didn't see anything I wanted there.
What you feeling about this?
How much for this? Is it a phone? $10?
Yeah, it's a telephone.
Oh, it is. Cool.
Old school.
That's kind of cool. I'll do it for $5 if you want to get rid of it.
Sure.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
Great.
Thank you. I got a little Diet Coke phone. It's kind of cool.
Where do you talk into it?
I don't even know. It's probably worth it still at 10, but $5 is really where I want to be on it. So I was looking through these VHSs, just trying to see if there's any sealed ones like horror or 80s, ones that could be worth potentially hundreds or thousands of dollars. Nothing really good. This thing was pretty cool. Check this out. It's like a strawberry shortcake kind of situation. Apparently her mom made it, but I feel like that's definitely something like primetime treasure hunter would buy. Her mom made it in like the 70s. It's kind of cool.
I think her mom made it actually.
This is Love Mom, yeah. Is she trying to sell it?
That $10?
You trying to sell it? Your mom made it for you, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Babe, do you like this? Or do you no room for it? Okay.
How much for the wagon?
$20.
Martin.
Shoes, Jen?
See anything you guys want? A lot of Christmas party. Seems like there's deals to be made if you want anything.
Really? No.
Is it? Oh yeah, she did have it on. Not anymore, huh?
I think this is just like the dollar box. This is a dollar box? Yeah. Okay. Or whatever.
You guys have any comic books?
No.
No, nothing like that? Okay. So down there is my sister Emily on the left in the green and my wife Helena. And they're looking through the dollar box, and little did I know, they're going to find some real treasure in there. Do you want both of us? Okay. Okay. We're going to get these two things from the dollar box, the bracelet and the little perfume.
Sure.
I already paid your husband for that.
Did you want any of the other DVDs or anything?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, silverware. Remember? I know, right?
Literally.
Frenchman. Are any of these silver? Wait. Let's see. I have a silver mark on it. Armored silver coat. It might be
Does this look like the loot of this silver?
plated.
Does this look like the loot? Oh wait, you didn't want. I was looking at these birds. I there's no done again. Oh, they're salt shakers.
Oh, cute. Let me ask her. I was thinking about these salt shakers too. How much for them?
I think it was in the
I don't know.
Oh shoot.
So they weren't for sale, but to be honest, they weren't worth like a crazy amount of money. So let's just go to the swap meet. We're somewhere in Southern California. This swap meet is one of the best swap meets in the world, I guarantee it. So there's a glove over here that the seller wants $35 for. So this glove looks interesting. I know I was listening to Tekken Sports on YouTube and he's saying some gloves are good. This glove looked good, but after looking at the comps, it's not really good. There's this pretty cool Egyptian cat, some golden Egyptian style statue. I think it's pretty good, and honestly it was probably worth a pickup, but I just put it back. Pretty cool, man. How much something like that?
That's 30 bucks.
30 bucks?
It's all 1993 original.
Get these at a storage locker or something?
Huh?
You get them at a storage locker or something?
No, it's bottom. You got a good deal on them.
Sometimes the items that you find at the swap meet are going to be priced above eBay pricing, and you got to watch out and look up the comps if you're not sure. I normally wait for the seller to tell me how much he wants and then look up comps. You know what these go for?
They're $14.95 right now on eBay.
There?
But then, you know, I've also seen for $6.95 too.
Let's see. See anything? What's that?
It's solid, genuine brass.
Oh, nice.
Handcrafted in Korea. I don't know.
I don't need it, but it's cool though.
How is this not as good as the other one?
No, it's cool. It's
As far as resale goes.
bookends have two.
There's one right there.
Oh, there's two?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
You don't want
It's $3 each or 3 for $5. If this wasn't chipped, that'd be cool.
It would be. Bet you this might be worth as much as that back here.
I gotta look it up.
It's our coach.
Found these, they're worth like 20 something. What is it called?
Oh, wait. Well, I just know it's a coach.
Can I take a picture of it?
Let me read
On the
it.
side right there?
It just says leather wear. There's a whole tag in here.
Or model
I have a
number?
for it.
Yeah.
H3S5187 dash 5187. Have a little tag on it too. Assembly alive.
Oh, I got it.
You can't find it?
Is that it?
Yeah.
68 bucks.
Is it?
That's it, right? Or very similar at least. It's very
yeah, it is
similar.
brown on the inside.
If it's not it, it's very similar. Let me see the other side of it.
You just gotta
That might
clean
be it.
this part
Yeah,
off.
that is it.
Clean this,
I think
and
you
then
clean.
clean that.
I think it could be clean. Let's get these 3 things then.
For your resale.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you get
Have a good day. No. Okay. Thank you.
these 3?
$5.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
don't eat with it. I mean, don't play with
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. I found a naked bag that's worth 70. Was it 70 or 60?
It was $68 sold. Cool. I picked up these brass owl bookends for $10. They sell pretty easily for $35 plus shipping, but I think I'm going to keep them for myself. Maybe one day I'll have a bookshelf with a bunch of cool books. This has been episode 1 of Lost Treasure Supply. Subscribe, like the video, and comment for more.